So one thing in terms of language, I can tell you this. So Russia has a uniform dialect, so they don't have, like unlike, here in the States where we have the southern accents and northeastern and, every and all those other things. Russian has one accent for everybody. The difference is that in the West, so meaning, Moscow, St. Petersburg, they speak very, very slowly and very proper, and they pronunciate every little detail type of thing. But in the East, where I was, they speak like they've picked up on kind of like the Asian quickness. So they will just prattle on in Russian super, super fast. And they just kind of like, well, especially if they're not careful, they'll just muddle everything together. So that can be really hard, especially in that mission at first, trying to understand what you're talking about, because you'll pick out two words, maybe, out of an entire sentence because they're speaking so fast. And then your companion will also be speaking maybe not as fast, but still pretty fast. And you'll just be like, I have no idea what's going on. So that's something that's very interesting in terms of both culture and language. There's always, each city has their own little, like everywhere, they all have their own little slang terms, little nuances that you pick up on. Pronunciation is very key. You have to get, for language, you always have to make sure you're getting the stress of the word right. Otherwise, it could either mean a different word or not make sense at all to a Russian.